Okay, what's up guys? My name is Sean and I newly bought this 2019 Sprinter van. So I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal, whether that's the passenger side or driver side. So you're probably going to get notification that looks like this: turn signal, rear left. Okay, so we're gonna start by unscrewing this piece. There's a screw here and a screw down there, and that'll be the first step. Get those two simple screws out. You can go ahead and close your door, and then this light is designed to come out to the left, so to the side. Don't pull it this way. Don't pull it towards you, or else the plastic piece is going to snap. So, and it takes, I've already taken it out, and it took a little bit of like shimmying around, and it took a while to get it out. But basically, try to get your hand in here the best you can with the door shut, and just push out. There's push out to the left. There are two pieces. There's a piece right here on the top, and then a piece on the bottom here. So these plastic pieces can easily snap off and break, which would kind of suck, so you have to order some. Yeah, so once you get those two out, go ahead and just unplug the power cord, and then you're good. Okay, once you got the light, go ahead, get your screwdriver. There's 4 screws. Let's get this closer to you. There is one here, here, and then over here and here. Pretty self-explanatory, silver ones. And then you got 4 of them. Don't lose them. Then, pretty easy, this panel just comes out right here. And then for me, I was changing the rear turn signal, so it was this bulb right here. Okay, once you got that all screwed back in, go ahead and get it lined back up. So go ahead and connect this. Back in like that. Make sure it's lined up with the plastic pieces. And we're gonna give it a hit. Bam. Alright. That looks like it'll do. Yep, screw those suckers back in. That's my first YouTube video ever, so pretty simple. Hopefully, as the time comes and I fix more things with this van, I will show you how to do them. Peace.